Math used in trumpet. The trumpet, a powerful brass instrument, produces music through precise mathematical principles governing sound waves, frequency, and design. From the shape of the bell to the positioning of the valves, mathematics plays a key role in crafting trumpets that produce clear, harmonious notes. Let's explore the role of math in trumpets. Trumpets use math in sound, frequency, and pitch. The pitch of a trumpet note is determined by the length of its tubing. Using mathematical formulas, musicians and instrument makers calculate the correct tube length needed to produce specific frequencies, ensuring accurate notes. Valve combinations and harmonics. Trumpet valves change the effective length of the tubing, altering the pitch. The mathematical relationship between valve positions and harmonics allows musicians to play a full range of notes by pressing different valve combinations. Bell shape and acoustic efficiency. The bell of a trumpet is designed using geometric curves to amplify and project sound efficiently. Its parabolic shape ensures that sound waves reflect and travel outward, optimizing the quality and volume of the sound. Resonance and overtones. Trumpets naturally produce harmonic overtones, which follow mathematical patterns based on whole number multiples of the fundamental frequency. This allows musicians to play different notes by adjusting air pressure and embouchure. Material density and sound propagation. The metal density of a trumpet affects the speed at which sound waves travel. Mathematical calculations help select materials that enhance resonance and sound clarity without making the instrument too heavy. Mathematical principles applied. Wave frequency calculations ensure the correct tubing length for precise pitch control. Valve combinations and harmonic series allow musicians to produce a wide range of notes efficiently. Geometric curves in bell design optimize sound projection and amplification. From the physics of sound waves to the intricate design of its components, mathematics is at the heart of how a trumpet creates beautiful music.